Hey Sam. I keep hearing about artificial intelligence and machine learning everywhere. Phones, cars, even Netflix recommendations. But I have one question.
Sure, Alex. What's on your mind?
How do machines actually learn? I mean, they're just computers, right?
Great question. Machines don't learn the way humans do, but they can learn from data and patterns. That's what we call machine learning.
So computers can study like students?
In a way, yes. But instead of textbooks, machines learn from large amounts of data.
Okay, but what exactly is machine learning?
Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence, where computers learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed.
That sounds complicated.
Let me simplify it. Imagine teaching a child to recognize cats.
Alright.
You show the child many pictures of cats and say, "This is a cat." After seeing enough examples, the child can identify a cat on their own.
Oh, so the computer learns the same way?
Exactly. Instead of pictures shown by a parent, the computer receives training data.
So how does the learning process actually work?
There are 3 main steps.
What are they?
First step, collecting data.
Why is data so important?
Because machines learn from examples. The more data they have, the better they can recognize patterns.
Okay, what's next?
Second step, training the model.
What's a model?
A model is basically a mathematical system that analyzes the data and tries to find patterns.
So the computer studies the data?
Exactly. It looks for relationships and rules inside the data.
And the third step?
Third step, testing and prediction.
What happens there?
The trained model is given new data it has never seen before, and it tries to make predictions.
Like guessing?
Yes! But educated guessing based on patterns.
Are there different types of machine learning?
Yes, there are 3 major types.
Tell me.
First, supervised learning.
What does that mean?
It means the machine learns from labeled data.
Example?
If we show images labeled cat and dog, the computer learns to distinguish them.
Got it. What's the second type?
Second, unsupervised learning.
How is that different?
Here, the data is not labeled. The computer finds patterns by itself.
So it organizes data automatically?
Exactly.
And the third type?
Reinforcement learning.
That sounds interesting.
In this method, machines learn through trial and error, receiving rewards for correct actions.
Like a video game?
Yes! That's how I learned to play games like chess and even complex strategy games.
Where do we see machine learning in real life?
Almost everywhere.
Really?
Yes. For example, Netflix and YouTube recommendations.
Oh, the recommended for you section.
Exactly. The system learns what you like and suggests similar content.
That explains why my recommendations are always accurate.
Another example is voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant.
They understand our voice commands.
Right. They learn from thousands of voice samples.
Any more examples?
Yes! Self-driving cars, spam email detection, online shopping recommendations, and even medical diagnosis systems.
Wow. Machine learning is everywhere. But is machine learning perfect?
Not really.
What are the problems?
Machines need huge amounts of data, and sometimes the data may contain bias or errors.
So the machine might learn the wrong thing?
Exactly. Also, training models can require a lot of computing power.
That makes sense. So let me see if I understood correctly.
Go ahead.
Machine learning is when computers learn from data, identify patterns, and make predictions without being directly programmed.
Perfect summary.
And it's used in recommendations, voice assistants, self-driving cars, and many other technologies.
Exactly. Machine learning is shaping the future of technology.
That's amazing. Thanks for explaining it so clearly.
Anytime. And remember, behind every smart machine is a lot of data, algorithms, and learning.
Looks like machines are becoming pretty smart.
And this is just the beginning.